In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload fonts in Canva. So first, you can see this is my free account. So at the first, disclaimer: if you want to upload any font, you must be need paid plan. So first, you need to going on brand, then again click on fonts. Then here are add new fonts. So this is the pre account. I cannot able to upload any fonts here. If you have a pro account, you are able to do this work. Just upload here, then you are able to use. Number two option, you need to going and design. Like I open a design, it's called like this one. So first select your text. So I select this text, then now going on this option font. So you can see here is a upload a font option. So again you can see I need a paid plan. So if you have a paid plan, you are able to upload a font on here. Then once you have done it, you need to going on only here option. Again, purpose your font name is ITC impact, whatever you want. Then type here, then you are able to find on here, then you can upload on here, then you can use on here. This is easy method. Purpose I upload this one, so this one. So disclaimer here, you must be need paid plan, otherwise you are not able to upload any font. So in this video I already show you how you can upload your font on Canva using paid plan, otherwise you are not able to do this work. So if you have found this video helpful for me, like subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.